Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to allow screen sharing in Zoom. So first enter a meeting and press this share button right here. Now select a screen that you want to share and click share. If you cannot share your screen, just simply close this and go to your settings. So click on system settings. Now go to privacy and security and to screen recording right here, and simply here you can see Zoom, and these have to be blue. So if it is right like this, you should switch it to blue and enter your password and then quit and reopen Zoom. If you do that, you will simply be able to then click share and share your screen. It is really this simple. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.